Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shahid here and I'm going to share with you my experience that how I am thinking in English. How I am thinking in English. What is the formula that I use in my in my daily life to think in English? I'm going to share with you, so you must have to watch this video till the end and you don't have to skip this video. Okay? If you skip this video, then definitely you will not learn what do I want to say with you all. So you have to watch this video till the end, and then you will learn that how to think in English. Okay, so let's begin. So firstly, if you want to think in English, so firstly you have to learn English. You have to complete your basic. Okay, if you want to think in English, so you must have to complete your basic, because when you complete your basic, then you will know that how to make sentences, how to speak English, and you will learn some structures and some vocabularies. If you want to think in English, so you must have to increase your vocabulary power. Without increasing our vocabulary power, we cannot think in English, because when we go anywhere and we saw anything, suppose you had gone to a market, you are going to market, so what did you see there? Can you tell me? What did you see there? You saw many things like fruits, vegetables, shopkeepers, tailoring center, shoes shop, cloth shop, like this you saw there. If you have no words, that how can you make sentences? You will not make sentences. You are unable to make sentences because you have no words. You have no words, that's why you are not making sentences. So firstly you have to complete your basic like vocabulary power. If you able to make short sentences, then definitely you will think in English. Why? Because you have power. You are able to make sentences. Like you can say this is math. So what should I say? This is math. If I have no words, I'm going to share this like this. You can see maize means makai. So this is called makka, means maize. So if I have no words, so how will I say? I will not say. I unable to say. That's why anyhow you have to learn. Anyhow you have to learn vocabularies, and you have to learn structures, like you have to learn grammar. Okay. And suppose you had gone to you had gone to see the Taj Mahal. So what did you see here? What did you see there? You saw Taj Mahal. You saw many historical things in Taj Mahal, and you saw pond, like long pond on in front of Taj Mahal. You saw many trees in the bank of pond of Taj Mahal. Like this you see. And you if you you can say, I'm moving here in my village, you can say this is my field. So I will make sentence that I am moving on my field. I am walking and making video. Like this I will make sentences. Like this you have to make, and then you have to think in English. So if I tell you that what is the formula that I want to tell you all, the formula is see and say to yourself. And I have told you that if you had gone to see the Taj Mahal, so what did you see there? You see many things. I think so. You saw many things, and you, what did you say? You say with yourself that yeah, I see this. Yeah, if my friend ask me, then definitely I will tell them that I saw this, I saw this. Like this you will say. You will say. So you have to think like this. And it is called see and say to yourself. Like you can say, see, I'm just like I'm seeing this, I see this, that's why I tell you all. Okay. So you have to firstly you have to see, and then you have to say to yourself. If I talk about like this is a field. So this is a field, so I will tell with myself that this is field. So there will cultivate maize, there will cultivate paddy, like this. Paddy means dhan. So like this you have to make sentences, and then definitely you will think in English. I hope. You have to do work on translation. If you have no power to translate, so how can you think in English? If you have developed the habit of translating, then definitely you will translate anything. Even I'm also doing this, even I'm also doing this because I'm also a beginner. I'm just sharing my experience to you all. So you must have to think that what did you what did you do yesterday, and what will you do tomorrow. You have to think. Okay, if you have to go market, if you have go to anywhere, you have to do any work you have to do, you have to think. Firstly you have to think that I have to do this. You have like this, you have to think, and you have to develop the habit of thinking. You have to develop the habit of practicing regularly. Okay, so this is the way to improve to think in English, and also to improve your English. If you think in English, so you are improving your English. Yeah, you are improving your English by thinking. So mostly lots of people are like asking this kinds of question, that how can I think in English. So you have to do this. If you do this, then definitely you will think in English. Okay, so this is the way to improve your thinking power, and this is the way to think in English. So I hope this video is very informative for you all. So please subscribe my channel, and must like this video, and must subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next videos, friends. Thank you all.